Hi, this is Asing. You are now watching Asing SL TV. Today, we would like to share how to conduct t-test in Excel. Let's start with one sample t-test. Consider this data set. If I wish to conduct a one sample t-test, I need a helper column. Let me put under column B and followed by at least 2 zeros under it. Next, go to the Data tab, click on Data Analysis, scroll and look for t-test for 2 sample assuming unequal variances. Click it and click on OK. Let's input the variables. For variable 1 range, select the data. Click on the arrow button. We can use the mouse to select all the cells needed or select the first cell and press Shift Ctrl down. Insert for the variable 2 range. Let's insert the helper column including the zeros. Click on the arrow button for the hypothesized mean difference. For this case is 70. So let's type it here. Check this box if the data has labels. By default, the significant level is 5%. Change it if needed. And the default output option is display the result on a new worksheet. Change it if needed. If let's say I want to have it at the desired range, select the first option, then click on the arrow button, select the cell, insert, and click on OK. And we should have the test statistic with the corresponding p-value for 1 tail and 2 tail respectively. For this case, since I conducted a right tail test, which means that I should refer to a 1 tail p-value. Next, let's try for 2 independent samples t-test. Also, go to Data, click on Data Analysis. This time, we should either choose t-test for 2 samples assuming equal variances or t-test for 2 samples assuming unequal variances. Depend on the assumption made. If let's say I assume that the 2 sets of independent data are having equal variances, then I should choose this. Click on OK. Let's input the data. We should always bear in mind that Excel will always take the mean of the first sample minus the mean of the second sample. So for the variable range, if let's say I want mu1, which means that I should select the data for the male. Insert, and for the variable 2 range, that is mu2. Therefore, I should select the data for the female. Insert, the hypothesized mean difference for this case is 10. Also, I have labels, so check this box. If let's say for this case, I would like to test it at 10% level of significance, so I should change alpha to 0.1. Also, at the desired output range, click on the button, insert the cell address, insert, and click on OK, and we should obtain the result as we can see here. Lastly, let's try for pair sample t-test. Also, go to the Data tab, click on Data Analysis, and this time we should select t-test for pair 2 sample for means. Click on OK. We should be very careful when selecting the data because for pair 2 sample for means in Excel, the hypothesized means difference must be always positive. If I have a negative value, therefore I should reverse all the things here to make negative becomes positive. Instead of taking after minus before, I should take before minus after. So which means that the variable 1 range, instead of selecting after, I should select before. Insert, for the variable 2 range, select after. Insert, and now I should have a positive hypothesized mean difference. Also with labels, so check this box, and this time I would test at 2.5% level of significance, which is 0.025. With a specific output range, click on the arrow button and select the cell. Insert, and click on OK, and we should obtain the desired result, as we can see here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.